guys, here's Claudio from Visual WordPress themes, and in today's video, gonna learn how to turn your WooCommerce store, WooCommerce shop account page from this boring layout to this customizable one for free and without coding. But before, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, make sure that you have WordPress, WooCommerce properly installed and setting up, okay? If you don't know how to do this, just go to YouTube and search for Visual WooCommerce. We're gonna learn how to do this. After, go back right here, move to plugins, click into the submenu, add new plugin, and type SYS basic, just like this. And the guide we are looking for to install, it's this SYS basics customize my account for WooCommerce. Click on install now, then click into the activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugin first page, and from this all we have to do now is select what of those links you need on your account page. Do you need the downloads on your shop? Yes or no? No, I don't need, I don't work with downloads, I work with physical products. No problem. Unselect, save change. Now go to the shop and it's gonna look just like this. Simple, right? Now imagine that you would like to add another link, for example, a link to get support. You can add link, enter label, support, add link, then click on the link, change the link URL, okay, it's very important. You can make it open into a new tab, you can hide from the account navigation, you can make it visible for all the rules, you can apply some CSS Classic, change the icon. Let's save change and review the results we got. And here is the support link. In this way, you can customize. We have other options. We have the modals. You can deactivate some modals right here. You can change the user avatar, changing the size. You can upload. You can do not let persons upload their own avatar. You can do not display the avatar. And we have the Elementor templates. Of course, this plugin adds a very useful Elementor templates that you can play with to customize the account page using the Elementor plugin. Use custom Elementor templates for my account page. Up to you. Use custom Elementor templates for login, register, last password page. Up to you as well. Replace endpoint content with Elementor templates. Up to you as well. You can play with Elementor this way and of course create the layouts that you want. Simple, easy, and very, very effective. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!